That's my finished rice and peas, guys. Here I'm going to add some fresh thyme, 2 stalks of scallion, a piece of ginger, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper whole, and I've also added some garlic. I've added 2 cloves. So in the pot I've got pimento seeds, fresh thyme, scallion, garlic, fresh ginger as well, and also all that is added with the coconut milk. So I'm going to allow the peas, coconut milk with all the seasoning to cook. So let the peas cook until tender. Alright, I'm just checking the peas to see if they're cooked. You can tell that they're cooked already. These are soaked overnight, so they're very take no time to cook. They've been cooking for about 30 minutes, and you can tell. See? Let's refocus that. See, they're very soft. The seasoning I'm going to use, and I will list the seasoning I'm going to use in my description. I will list everything that I've put in there in my description. Yeah, and I'm going to allow these to cook a little bit more. So now I am going to add my rice as my peas is thoroughly cooked, and I'm going to remove some of these seasonings so I can add my rice to the pot. Here my rice has already been washed. This is about 3.5 cups of basmati rice. You can use whatever rice you'd like as well. So I have removed most of the stalks, and there's some here from the scallions. I'm gonna leave the pepper to, you know, for flavor, but I am going to remove all the rest of these and just to allow the rice to cook with everything else. So here I'm gonna let it simmer and reduce down. So maybe not everything has completely removed, but I am not bothered. But most of it has. There you have it. My rice and peas. I still have a little piece of ginger in it, and I've left the Scotch bonnet pepper, and it's still intact. Preferably I would use a green one, but I just use what I've got at the moment.